If you have a lot of bookmarks saved in Firefox, moving them from one folder to another can help you stay organized fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to move bookmarks from one folder to another in Firefox, step by step, so you can clean up your browser and keep everything easy to find. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips. Let's get right into it. First, open Firefox and look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the menu button with 3 parallel lines. Click that menu button to open the main Firefox menu. From there, hover over or click Bookmarks, and then select Manage Bookmarks at the bottom of the menu. This will open the library window, which is where Firefox keeps all of your saved bookmarks and folders. Now, in the library window, take a moment to find the folder that contains the bookmark you want to move. You can look in the left pane or the right pane, depending on how your Firefox layout is displayed. Once you've found the source folder, click and hold the bookmark or folder you want to move. Then drag it carefully onto the destination folder where you want it to go. As soon as you release it, Firefox will place that bookmark inside the new folder. If you're moving a whole folder, the same drag and drop method works the same way. Just make sure you drop it onto the correct destination folder so it ends up in the right place. This is a great way to reorganize bookmarks into categories like work, research, shopping, or personal links, especially if your list has gotten cluttered over time. If you want to move more than one bookmark, you can repeat the same process for each item until everything is sorted exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've now moved your bookmarks from one folder to another in Firefox. It's simple, fast, and one of the easiest ways to keep your browser organized. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Firefox tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.